Hey guys, it's ellienaroseanne here. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone a very long time, but I was trying to concentrate on my first year of uni. I really wanted to pass. I didn't want to pay £9,250 for me to fail. So yeah, that's basically one of the main reasons why I haven't been uploading lately. But hopefully you're going to see more of me. I am now on like a 6-month holiday before I start my second year. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing like a slick back braided bun. I usually do this hairstyle when I want my hair up and away from my face and, you know, secured tightly and everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to me. And yeah, let's carry on with the video. So first off, you're gonna want to need like a couple hair bands, some bobby pins, a hairbrush obviously, a toothbrush, and I usually use this Eco gel, the yellow one. But obviously it's run out now, so I'm gonna try this one with the argan oil and see if like this is any better or whatnot. So yeah, let's carry on with the video. Obviously you want to brush your hair first. And then what I do, I get the gel and then I kind of like run it through my hair. Just like at the scalp bit, not like at the ends, because we don't really want it at the ends. Just want it at the top of your head. And then I like to gel down my baby hairs. So I just like put some gel on them. Now I get my toothbrush. You can dip it inside the gel as well if you want to. And then I literally just try and style it. Now what you're gonna try and do is literally find a part in. You can part in the middle. I like doing it like kind of diagonally, so I kind of like part it here. Then I get my gel and try and like lay it down like this first. And then I'm gonna get this type of brush and literally like try and smoothen it down. Or you can use this just normal brush. And then we get one hairband, literally tie it into a ponytail. And now what we're gonna do is basically, oh yeah, you can leave your hair like this if you really wanted to, but this isn't the look I'm trying to go for today. What we're gonna do now is split this into 3 sections, literally just plait it all the way down to the bottom. And because my hair is layered, I tend to get like bits and pieces sticking out. So what I do, I try to go as much to the bottom as possible, then tie it with a hairband. And obviously there's so much more hair left at the end, so I literally just try and plait again. Then once that's done, I get a rubber band and then I tie it at the bottom. Obviously I have some stuff sticking out again, so I try and cover it with another rubber band on top of it. Now from here, I've got this very long ponytail on me, but we're not done yet. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap it all the way round, round until there's no more. And it should look like this at the back. Now I'm going to take another hairband which is on my wrist and I'm going to try and secure it. And then if there's any bits and bobs sticking out, then literally just pin them down, which I'm going to do. And yeah, this is the final result. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video and you like this look, then please give it a thumbs up. Also comment if you want me to do any other videos. Let me know if you tried out this hairstyle. I'd love to see what it looked like on you, so please send me videos or photos of you. Also follow me on my socials. So my Instagram is at ellienaroseanne. My Snapchat is at ellienaRose. Yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy this video or any other content on my channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.